So, in this video, I have my old Land Cruiser. It has a V8 Chevy. Can't speak. Anyway, I've got my old Land Cruiser. It has I think it's like an 89 or something like that. Anyway, it has like a 4-inch lift. It has really big Mondo mud tires. It has a Chevy V8 engine in it, and it's like all just decked out real cool. A mud machine. But I don't need it anymore because I never really use it and it has a lot of issues. And now I have this truck, which is way more practical. Even though it's not as fun, it's more practical. So the only thing we need to fix that on the other Land Cruiser is we need to put the steering arm back on because that was all bent up and not working right. So and then there's a few other small things you have to do with the engine, I think. And then she should be ready to sell, and then we'll finish cleaning her up and she should be ready to go. So we're gonna go do that tomorrow. So I'm gonna go pull her inside today because, as you can see, it's snowing real bad. And it's getting covered in snow, like real bad. And it's a pain working on stuff when it's covered in snow. So yeah, we're gonna go pull it in today, let her get all thawed out over the night, and then we'll go work on it in the morning. It's gonna be a good time. Made it. Okay, we're gonna get a fire going. Make sure everything's all warmed up. There's the truck right there now. See all the snow on it. Okay, let's go get a fire going. Fire accomplished. Mountain Dew accomplished. I forgot the keys. Keys accomplished. Yes. Whoa. Come on, baby. Oh! Okay. Truck starting. Accomplished. In the meantime, put cover on snow machine because I forgot. So, let's go get cover. Step. Get all the snow off with your bare hand. Now my hand's cold. Second step. Put cover on successfully. You know, this poor baby is on Craigslist now. It's a sick. So anyway, so Craigslist right now. It's a 600 2010 RMK 155. Yes. So if it's not gone already, go on and buy it. It's in perfect condition. It's a great sled. I just need something with more power. Yes, sir. Yes. See all that snow? Watch and learn. Now it's gone. Well, you know, most of it's gone. You just okay, yeah. Okay. Let's try it now. I can't see. There we go. Oh. Okay. Alright, guys. Okay. See you in the morning. Anyway, it's day 2. I'm heading back to the shop. I'm gonna grab a little bit of lunch, and then we're gonna work on the truck. So, yeah. I don't know what else to say. That's pretty much all we're doing. So, yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Lunch. Okay. Let's get to work. So what we need to do is, it's a little bit dark. Let me find it. You see this piece here? It comes down like this. Wish I had a headlamp. Anyway, goes down, and then this kind of just this section here. We need to take all this off, all the way up to there, and replace it with this one. Because that one, all of its insides are shredded and messed up. It doesn't work. This one works good. We got this one off of that truck. See those 3 trucks in the back there that are all look all beat up? The one in the way, way back, between those 2 other ones. That's the one that I got it off of. And apparently, it works good. So yeah. We'll take the tire off, and then I guess we'll get to it. Let's go. Okay, so you guys, I got this bolt off here for this thing here, it's up there. And as you saw, that was the biggest pain ever. I had to use heat, I had to beat on it, and eventually I had to get out the really big socket wrench and use the bar for like leverage. It finally popped loose. So now, this thing's really tight in there. So I'm gonna have to probably beat on it for a long time before it finally pops out of its spot. And then I'll get this smaller stuff undone. And then we should get her out. All right. Alright, so we got the bad one out. No pain. Took forever. But we got the good one here. And now we're gonna put it on. Yeah, that's like just like to give you like a reference. I started to that clock over there. Well, you can't really see the clock. Well, anyway, I started at like 1:30 trying to get that off, and it's like almost 4 now. It took way too long. Way too long. Anyway, we're gonna get that on now. Bye-bye. Howdy. It's about a day later. I was having some trouble, so me and Dad got it fixed up yesterday. And now it's working real good. And we got it working good now. So, I'm gonna take some quick pictures of her. Let's get her started first. Get her started, get her warmed up. So she's so nice and clean. Never been this clean in her life. Come on, baby. Okay. I'm gonna pull her over there and get some good pictures with her. And yeah, then we'll put her out on Craigslist. And when you guys can go buy it if you want. Alright, that should do it. So wait, now let's get her back into her spot. Hello. So, my snow machine right there, Meow, and the truck are both very great vehicles. They're both going to be on Craigslist. The snow machine, it's a really amazing sled. It rides really, really nice. Nothing's wrong with it, in perfect condition. I'm going to regret selling it, but I just want something with more power. 600, a little bit less for my needs, I think. It's a really great sled. That's going to be on Craigslist. My truck back that way is also going to be on Craigslist. It's a very, very good off-road vehicle. It has really nice tires, and the V8 works really good for off-road. It has a little bit of lift on it. That's a really nice vehicle. Both of those are going to be on Craigslist. So if you want any of them, here's a screenshot of the post on Craigslist. You can go find those. Just search up anything on the screenshot right there, and they should pop up real easy. You can go find those. But also, as soon as they sell, I'm going to put that in the description of this video. So if you're interested in buying either of them, be sure to check the description real quick, just to make sure they're not sold yet. And yeah, so this video is a little bit different than normal. It was more like a vlog type thing, just me kind of doing my everyday life. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a comment and a like and telling me. Whoops, I'm turning an accident. Anyway, yeah, leave a like and a comment and telling me that you liked it, because I'd love to do these videos more, because it was really fun. So yeah, we're posting every Friday. Be looking forward to it.